Today I'm making pav bhaji masala at home. So I'm using 7 to 8 dry red chilies, mix of both mild and hot one, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 4 to 5 cardamom pods, 2 bay leaves, 4 tablespoon coriander seeds, 2 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon black pepper, small piece of cinnamon, 3-4 cloves, and I'm also going to use 2 teaspoon amchur powder. I'm going to roast everything on low to medium heat until it's brown. It takes about like 2 to 3 minutes depending how fast, but always make sure you roast it on the low heat so the spices doesn't get burned. It's around 3 minutes and the spices are already roasted. You can see they have changed the color and it smells so good in my house. I have turned off the heat and let it cool down completely. Then I'm going to grind it in dry grinder. Ground it into the fine powder. I'm adding 2 teaspoon amchur powder and mix it. And you can store this in a clean dry container for a couple months at room temperature. You can find the recipe on my website. Hope you'll try it.